Question: in cables, the thickness of the layer of insulation on the conductor depends upon answer voltage. Next question: in large machine, flat copper strip known as answer riser. Next question: a current mirror can be used as an active load because answer it has high AC resistance. Next question: two parallel wires separate by a distance d and carry a DC current I in the same direction. What is the magnetic field along a line running parallel to these wires and midway between them? Answer it is 0. Next question: in which a divided winding rotor is preferable to a conventional winding rotor because of increased steady state stability limit? Answer: in a synchronous generator. Next question: which is provide highest braking torque in comparison to rheostatic and regenerative braking system? Answer: plugging. Question: which is essential for the reciprocal theorem to be applicable? Answer: linearity, bilateralism, and no initial history.